Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We've got a ton of content for you all over the next couple weeks. Specifically on this episode, we're going to be talking about Cornucopias. We have not talked about COPI in a while. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So there is a new image regarding Cornucopias. So right now we are on the Twitters, and it is Cornucopias game. It's a AAA level quality game. It's not just on Cardano, but it's also, I guess you would say it's interoperable with different chains as well. So the big thing is a new sale that's going to be coming out. So these are assets, and the sale begins October 23rd. By the way, today we are October 15th of 2024. So we've already done videos in the past regarding the jetpacks. So if we take a look on the channel, I know I talked about the jetpacks somewhere around here, right here. So COPI jetpack. So we've got you covered when it comes to Cornucopias and other videos as well. So let's dive right into this. So first off, I like the art a lot. So this is going to be the 0G. This is the Strato. So there are a lot of assets that are coming out. Specifically, Cornucopias is targeting the base chain as well as Cardano for this sale. So a top tier game needs a top tier marketplace. We're bringing a new experience for showcasing game assets to enhance your gameplay. Your first chance to use it will be coming on, October 23rd for phase 1. There will be 4 phases lasting 7 days each. So if we take a look, there's also this chart. If you guys want, follow Cornucopias on not only Twitter X, but you can also follow them in the Discord. So I've got different access because I own quite a few of these NFTs. So this is the exact same post. And I think these look great, by the way. I'm really digging it. But what we're going to take a look at is this chart. So on this chart, we can get an idea of the prices and whatnot. So let's open this up. Maybe try to get a better image here. So there we go. Getting loose, baby. So again, base and Cardano. So have your assets ready. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But let's see what's going to come out here. And just to give you guys an idea as well. So it looks like in the category of jetpacks, we're going to have some legendaries, some rares, some uncommons, etc. So actually, maybe we won't zoom in like that. But $30 to $350 looks to be the price. There's going to be a free helmet. So that's going to be ADA USDC. So maybe you got to pay a mint cost. There's going to be 20,000 of those. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, the sale exactly. I assume you're going to have to connect your wallet to the Cornucopias website and then mint. So the sale type is rotating. I assume it will be first come, first serve, or it could be like in the past, it could be at random. So in order to get, for example, a mythic or a rare, it would come down to luck. I'm not sure. If I get more information before the mint, I will be doing content on it. So it looks like here we've got the special edition Stratos. This should be popular. $30, not bad at all. And then we also have the extra large backpack. So there's a lot of those. And it looks like they're different ones. So I don't know how they're going to work in the game. Maybe it's good for, you can imagine Solus the entire game where you're going to haul around different equipment. And I get that vibe because you get the ships here. You also have a different bubble jet. It looks like there was a bubble jet before when I was looking. So I'm pretty sure there is one, right? So here you go. You got the sunset and then the purple. What else? I guess I should look at it this way. Valkyrie F9. That will be a big one. So that'll be a racer. So huge, huge, huge mint coming up, guys. So comment down below it's going to be the junker jet. That's what I was looking at. I'm like, why is there a junker jet? I thought it was a bubble jet. But anyways, guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts on the sale? What are you looking forward to most? Personally, I think the jetpacks are going to be really cool. I can imagine that you can get away from bear or other in-game stuff there. That'll be cool. Guys, for the nodes, they're still rocking and rolling. So I have 8 registered. If you guys want, head over to the channel. Type in COPI. I teach you step by step how to manage your nodes. For rewards, let's see where we're at. So based on 8 nodes, we're at 8,232 COPI. So not too bad. Not too bad. So guys, other than that, comment down below. What are your thoughts? And I think it's a good idea to have a sale. I think that's a lot of assets. So again, this will be done in stages, as mentioned before. But it is a lot of assets. That's kind of my personal opinion, but that's okay. So guys, hit up the link tree. I did want to mention, I did a video on how you can launch your very own meme coin. So guys, using Rocket, I just launched the loose meme coin. So guys, pick one up, support it. We only have a few hours to get this done. And if we hit a certain amount, we will actually launch a loose moose meme coin. And I'm really excited because I have some ideas for this. And yeah, like for those loose moose holders, you're definitely going to want to pick one of these up. It's going to be advantageous, that I tell you. Guys, hit up the link tree. You have to pick up a COPI file node if you want. So I have links for that right here. Also where you can register. Guys, use code MOOSE. Save 10% off your Tangem. I'm going to get the Tangem ring within a week. That's what I'm estimating. So not 100%, but guys, for $50, you can pick up a Tangem card, pre-order the Tangem ring. We also have online courses. Guys, we have too much going on, but the Loose Moose token, let's get this thing launched. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.